Bulk search is a core feature of our service, designed to help you quickly analyze the market, estimate budgets for link placements, budgets for sponsored content. This tool gathers data on promotion costs, scanning multiple websites in just minutes, making it invaluable for strategic planning, for initial market analysis. Let's head to our profile and explore how it all works. If you don't have a profile, create an account. Super simple. On a website, at the top right corner, there's a sign up button. Click it and you're all locked and loaded. Now, back to our feature. Click Use Bulk Search button at the top right corner, this largest blue button, and we'll end up on this page. Why is this important? Why do we need to use it? If you want to research a competition, if you want to explore new potential markets, if you want to discover new locations for expansion of your brand, you would need to use this tool. All you need to do is have a list of websites of your competitors, of leaders of that particular industry that you're trying to research, or that particular location where you decide to expand. To get that list, just use tools like Ahrefs, just copy paste the URL into search box and get a list of referring domains. It will look something like this. So after getting that list, you need to export it or copy paste list of websites from here. For the purpose of demonstration, we're not going to copy and research thousands and thousands of them because it will take a while to cross-reference and load. Not to make you wait, we'll just use the first 30. So we'll copy those and we will paste them into this search box. We paste them and we'll click check. What it does now, it's cross-referencing our database of over 300,000 media outlets with these 30 websites to see what we have available. So we do have 6 websites, 6 media outlets available for publication. We can explore additional metrics. On the right, we have Ahrefs, Majestics, Moz, CheckTrust. View prices, click on view prices to compare media sellers, what they have available. Just click on a particular media seller and place an order. You can export this list to for later uses. You can send it to your marketing department, add it to your presentation as an addition. On the top, we have additional metrics here. So those are domains that we have available, those 6 media outlets. Second one is average price of a media outlet. So it's $155. The third one, number 3, is total value of all of those 6 media outlets. Why is it important? It's important for planning, for strategic planning. If you deciding on budgets, how much must be spent next quarter, next month, if you want to present this to the board of executives so they can allocate the budget properly, this number is pretty critical. Tool is fairly simple to use. If you have questions, write to us, click this blue book demo button and pencil an appointment with us. We're always here for you at your service. We'll reply fast. We do provide marketing services as well. We do writing, from link building to PR. We're always here for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye-bye for now.